no stress. Maths and science, you break them to the best. Now your brain go shine, no time to the guess. You simplify, I'm enough, you be less.
Hello my people and welcome on. So for this particular video tutorial, I want to show you how to solve this simple fraction. Everybody don't know how to work on this one. My small nephew even know how to solve this particular one, even as in the age 4. If you run this one finish, I say make I make you know, and also make an share and make an children still know and people will done that now. Now the question say, make we simplify 1/4 plus 2/3. This one, yeah, na proper fraction. This one a proper fraction. Why be proper fraction? Because you say 4 fit carry 1 well. And then 2 and 3 fit carry 2 well. So now if they add 2 proper fraction, what do they expect to be the result? It will still be proper fraction. Make I show you how you want to do it. Normally the way they teach you where is sabi for how to solve this thing. Now to quickly draw line like this, look for the LCM of 3 and 4. And 4 and 3, the LCM are to multiply 2 of them to give you 12. Because say 4 go into 12, meaning 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. And 3 times 1 will give you 3, plus 3 goes into 12, meaning 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. And that 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. So finally, you can say 3 plus 8 will give you 11. 11 divided by 12 can be the final answer. This one are the basic way they teach you as you grow up. But for exams, we no get time. Competition where we say you need to use quick hack, carry do am. See the hack. And the hack will make you do this particular video. So what you go do when you see 1/4 plus 2/3? Just multiply everything. How you want to take multiply? Cross multiply this one, and multiply this one. I mean these two things here. See what I mean? 3 times 1, 3. Bring the sign, plus 4 times 2, 8, divided by 4 times 3, 12. Finally, 3 plus 8 will give you what? 11 over this particular 12. I mean the final answer. It's as a quick and smooth. I make I give you your own. If I get 1/3 plus 2/5, what did it say this answer will be? Do am normal method and do am using the quick method and produce the answer for comment section. I hope you learned for this particular video. I hope this video help you. Try share and make students learn. Follow me if you never follow me. Subscribe to my channel if you never subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So when I upload new video, you will receive notification. And the final thing you will do, like this video and drop comments for the comment section. Until next time, I will see you. My name is Instructor Alison. Peace and love.